This round earth house is nestled within the untouched vastness of Sonoran National Park, in the heart of the Sonoran desert landscape, surrounded by a multitude of towering saguaro cacti. It's an extremely rugged, lush, and delicate terrain that conveys a sense of stillness and permanence, demanding architecture that is thoughtfully placed and shaped by the land's gentle rhythms. With a long and narrow form that gently settles over the terrain, the Tucson Mountain Retreat is a single-story residence with terraces along its north and south facades and a small rooftop deck. Arrival at the house is marked by a sequence of concrete cubes in a fractal pattern, guiding visitors toward two distinct entrances. Halfway up the path, a narrow slit marks the access to the bedroom wing, while a dark, square void defines the main entry. The house is divided into 3 zones. The living area, open to the north and south, forms the core of the home and also acts as a buffer between the music studio to the west and the bedrooms to the east. To move between these zones, one must leave one space, walk outdoors, and enter another. This separation addresses the need for acoustic isolation, but also creates a constant opportunity for direct contact with the raw desert landscape. A doctor from San Diego and his wife came to this land with a dream of reconnecting with their roots in this magical, mysterious setting, paired with a desire to live a music-centered lifestyle. The functional need for spaces to live, sleep, and create music gave rise to this singular home, one that clearly separates each function to ensure both integration with the land and sound isolation. Tucson Mountain Retreat was conceived as a sensory experience, one that approaches the desert with respect, guided by the desire to share, not exploit, the qualities of this preserved environment. The permeability of the home is enhanced by the filtered light beneath the spiral staircase, which leads to a panoramic rooftop terrace for stargazing. Intentionally, the parking area is located over 400 feet away from the house. To reach it, one must walk through the desert along a narrow trail, passing through a dense area of cacti and palo verde trees that obscure any direct view of the building. With each step, the house slowly reveals itself, as if emerging from the earth. The entry sequence unfolds through a series of concrete steps that dissolve into the landscape. As you ascend, each step offers an alternate path and a new discovery. This journey slows the pace and stimulates the senses, leaving behind the rush of urban life. The house is primarily built with rammed earth, a material made from widely available soil that provides excellent thermal mass and has virtually no negative environmental impact. Traditionally used in arid regions, it adapts perfectly to the Sonoran Desert, while also possessing poetic qualities that engage the visual, tactile, and auditory senses of those who move through the space. The tactile connection with the environment is revealed in every detail. The scent of Spanish cedar fills the bedrooms, while the charred walls enclosing the bathroom core invite touch and visually echo the cracked soil of a sun-scorched desert. Circulation between the spaces incorporates the natural landscape into daily life. The ever-changing desert light and the vivid backdrop of the surroundings become part of the home, forming an intimate partnership with the residents' experience. Rooted in a region where water is scarce, the house is equipped with a 30,000-gallon rainwater harvesting system, paired with an advanced filtration process that makes this vital resource available for all household uses. The living room features glass walls on both sides, allowing for natural cross-ventilation. The home's linear orientation along an east-west axis reduces solar heat gain by minimizing openings on the narrow east and west facades. The main living areas and bedrooms extend into patios and open to the south, protected by generous overhangs. These deep eaves offer unfiltered views and direct connection to the desert, while shielding the home from the harsh summer sun and allowing winter sunlight to enter and passively warm the floors and walls.